I'm getting started here. I'm finally writing this book that I've been thinking about for over a year. I did over 1,000 interviews in big tech, coached 200 people in the last couple of years, and it's time to put that knowledge to use to help other people. But getting started, well, it's always the hard part. And this is where I get a lot of inspiration from my wife, who's a best-selling author. She always tells me to swallow the frog, like do the thing that you need to do it first, and commit to doing it. And that's why I'm here. So by next Friday, I'm gonna have the initial outline done. Hopefully I can share that with you when I get it. All right, let's do this. Okay, so what is this book that I'm writing? So for the last couple of years since I left Meta, I've done over 200 behavioral interview mentoring sessions with software engineers looking for jobs. And the thing I notice is that they all struggle with the same things. How do they tell their stories, and they have great stories, in a way that makes a hiring manager say, yes, I want that person on my team? And the thing is, there's really no book for this. We have books on coding interviews, system design, but behavioral, nothing. So I decided to write the book I wish existed. So I actually started this whole thing a year ago. I started writing on a newsletter, I started this YouTube channel, and I made some content for FAANG candidates who are interested in behavioral interviews, and I thought it would be pretty simple, like I'll put out a bunch of content and people will love it. But it wasn't really that easy. It's not easy to write every day. It's not easy to record videos. And my wife and I, we run this small business, and where she gets a chance to help therapists and families with special needs. It's really powerful work. And I do a lot to support that business. And so last year I thought, you know what, that's what I need to focus on. I really need to spend my time building her business and put aside this content creation work. But it never really stopped nagging me. I kept seeing content on LinkedIn, or I kept doing these mock interviews with people, and I kept thinking, wow, if I just had these resources to give out to people, it would be amazing. And honestly, I felt like the rest of the year I was a little depressed. I was a little demotivated. Honestly, because I think I was just not doing what I was supposed to be doing. So it came around the end of the year, and my wife and I always set goals every December. And I was thinking, and I was praying, I was figuring out, okay, what it is that I want to do with this book idea. Is this something that I want to move forward on? And she said, go for it. She said, this is what you need to do. And so I set this goal for myself to write 15 minutes a day, to publish on our Substack every Monday, and a bunch of other things like work out and play guitar 15 minutes a day, because why not? Okay, so I'm doing exactly what my wife told me not to do, which is spend a bunch of time on the book cover. The designer just sent some new options, so I'm checking them out. Okay, so what's actually in the book? Well, it's not just how to answer questions in a certain way or a STAR method or whatever. It's really about understanding what makes you successful as an engineer, and then teaching you to go back into your career and extract what has made you successful, be able to tell those stories in an effective way to hiring managers, so they know that when they hire you, you'll be able to repeat the success that you've had in the past. And after that, it's a lot of storytelling tactics, a lot of specific question help, a lot of advice on how to handle different interview processes at different companies. Okay, so that's where I'm at. If you're an engineer getting ready for a FAANG behavioral interview, getting ready for an interview anywhere else, stick around. Like and subscribe to this video so I know that you're out there listening to this. Subscribe to my Substack, that's linked down below. I got a lot of resources for you, example questions, I've got signal area breakdowns, I've got a lot of tactics to handle lots of different things to really help you out. So check it out, and then call me out if I don't get this outline done by next Friday. See you next time.